We're just here getting here in Oklahoma getting loaded, and we're shutting the doors on the trailer, and those, listen. Like I said, we're just here picking up our load. We were shutting the doors. All of a sudden it goes off, and I'm like, what? It's like something out of a movie. G's like, get out of Dodge. Watch it, guys. Move, puppers. And these guys, they won't let me in. I'll get carried away by the tornado. Watch it.
Yeah, let's get out of Dodge before we end up in Kansas
like Toto. You guys are Toto.
You ain't in North Kansas anymore, Toto.
Move back, girl. Oh my goodness. That was weird though. Like I said, I shut the doors. All of a sudden sirens started going off. I thought, what the heck?
She said, I know I'm Mexican, but they didn't have to call the cops on me.
And I'm like, oh my goodness. It was, like I said, it's something out of a movie. I heard the sirens and I'm like, oh my gosh. It's Armageddon. It's the apocalypse. You just never know. Whew. That like a rough. But we're going to get the heck out of Oklahoma and go take this load to Lebanon, Missouri. And alright, and we are rolling. That was crazy.
I'm kind of rolling. We still got to check out at the guard check.
Yeah, I know, but we're rolling.
You don't know.
We're rolling.
I told you.
Onward, Jeeves. Look at the sky.
See what I am there? I'm just like a chauffeur.
You're like a chauffeur?
Yeah.
Look at the sky.
She said onward, Jeeves.
I did say onward, Jeeves. Are you not my Jeeves? We're headed
Some people's kids.
We're headed to the shack.
It's like I'm playing cards with my sister's kids.
I didn't think it was that bad, but apparently it must be in nearby areas. That's craziness. Onward to the shack so we can get the heck out of Oklahoma. It just barely sprinkled a little bit.
We still got the sirens going off.
They're still going off?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't hear them now.
You heard it. I passed by there. There it is. Looks like
Who said, what the heck? Fat girl, get off my lap. What is that noise? Look, Chi-Chi. Her head to the side. Moo said, I think we should go, Dad. I think we should go. Alright, guys. G's gonna check out at the shack, and then we're out of here. Love y'all. Bye.